So guys, we are currently live and we are running around $600 profit, and we've just closed few trade few minutes ago. If you are joining us for the first time, please, I want you to click on the subscribe button. Just subscribe to our channel. It's currently we're around 70 subscribers, but definitely we hope to reach 1,000 subscribers by the end of this year, or minimum 500. So if you're a returning subscriber, thank you for coming back. Thank you for joining us once again. So we are running around $700 profits. So this is mad, guys. Crazy. NFP expectations. Just like I said earlier, I will be trading NFP live on YouTube, and we are running in massive profits. We are running in massive profits. We are running in massive profit, guys. This is amazing. This is amazing. Now we've closed around we've closed few positions already. I think about 5 positions have hit take profit. So let's see what we have. So if you are just joining us for the first time, please click on the subscribe button, subscribe to the channel. If you're a returning subscriber, wow, NFP, man. NFP, this is crazy, man. This is crazy. Around six positions actually TP'd at this particular place here. So we're still holding the rest. I don't want to go through my history. I don't want to go through that. But guys, we are running in massive profit. This is around 300 pips, and it's just a few minutes away. Just few minutes away, man. Let's get this. And I told you guys I'll be trading live today, and we are just starting. There is a liquidity grab currently happening in this region. If you look, price will grab this region. We'll see some pullback because market is leaving a lot of inefficiency here. So I won't be adding to my position now. I'll be waiting for the close of this candle, and I'll be adding to the pullback, guys. So we are running a nice profit. NFP smashed as usual. Smashed as always. Remain the favorite, remain your favorite, remain the mentor of your mentor. I think 13 years in this game is definitely worth it. Yeah. Since 2012, I've been looking at the charts. So if you look at this whole formation here, I think this is the simplest thing. Now let me take away this shit out of here. You know what I'm saying? Now I will break down why I bought what the fuck is this, man? I'll break down why I bought gold. Now I'm getting agitated. So if you look at let me use the highlighter. If you look at all this shit that just happened here, this is basically head and shoulder. You don't need anybody to complicate trading for you. This is basically head and shoulder. Basically head and shoulder. Let's do this, man. Can you see the take profits? Can you see them here? all green, all green, all green. So we smashed TP at 100 pips when we just started, and still floating in nice profits. Still floating in nice profits. Still floating in nice profits. We're still running in profit. I'm about updating the updating my community. The link is in the description. You can just click to join. Wow, this profit is nice. So let's get this. Let's get this. Let's get this. I'm coming. I will do a breakdown. I'm just updating the community. Please, if you're a new subscriber, I want you to click on the subscribe button and subscribe to this channel. If you're a returning subscriber, I sincerely appreciate you for stopping by. And please click on the like, comment on this post. Comment. I just want you to share your opinion on what you're seeing right now. If you think XauUsd is going to keep on going up, I just want you to share your opinion. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Yes, man. I want to share the link. I want to share the link so people can join. We are making money, man. Let's go, 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 let's go. Yes, we are done. We are done. So I'll be doing a breakdown in just few minutes. Like as I said earlier, this is basically head. This is the left and the right shoulder. So that's for those that are into all those retail sheets and ICT traders. You guys, what's your take on this? A lot of you guys will start selling from here. Why? Because they will use it as a breaker block, and price reacting to this place. Definitely, the ship is going to sink down. But if you know how I trade, you know whenever I see price moving up, I watch out for two things: a seller's trap and a bullish zone. So we have our seller's trap here in the form of breaker blocker. All I was waiting for was just a bullish rejection. And now let's take a closer look. We had one here. This candle formation, this bearish and bullish, strong bullish, a strong buy indication, and we have another one here. So missing these two here, I knew that there was a minor trend line here trend line liquidity is one of my favorite form of liquidity. Once you see it, once you learn it, you can't unsee it. So we've closed some couple of greenbacks, some couple of green. See, when last did you hit TP? When last did you hit TP? So we've closed some couple of trade already. Funded this account. It's 2,000 just to trade NFP, and we are doing well. And I'm also trading another pair, XauUsd. Wow, this is massive. XauUsd is running a massive profit as well. As you can see on the screen, XauUsd is running a massive profit. So this is beautiful. This is beautiful. This is beautiful. Trust me, this is beautiful. This is lovely. XauUsd and XauUsd running in massive profits. So how do you want me to explain to you that Forex is legit? What do you need me to explain? We're running about 400 pips profit on gold. 400 pips. This is sweet, man. Woo! Now you don't get to see this every day. So I think I have to close one now. Now let's hear that sound, that sweet sound. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. That is a sound of victory. And I hope I'm fucking recording this shit. Should I add more positions? No, I'm not adding. Till the close of this candle, I'm not adding shit. This candle will be closing in the next 15 minutes. So now, don't forget, every candle has an opening, a close, a high, and a low. Now, in that of a bullish candle, first you see an opening, then you see the low, then you get the high, and after getting the high, you get the close. And I'm pretty confident here that we've gotten this high on the 1 hour. 1 hour candle high, we've gotten the high. So I believe in the next 15 minutes we might get the close. Yeah, man. If we close above this range, that means we are heading towards. Woo! This will be a nice buy. I might buy till Monday. Next week will be an interesting week for gold. I can see it already. We have our lower low here, then higher low. I'll call this a higher low, a higher high, a higher low, and we're about to print a new higher high. So all I'll be watching out for is my next lower low shouldn't take out this initial low here. If our next, now something like this, so I'm expecting a pullback should not take out this place, this region. The pullback shouldn't take out this region. So once the pullback take out this region, then this low is no longer protected. The price is definitely going to take out this low. But if price refuses to take out this initial low, we're going to see something like this, which will be you know what I'm saying? Higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high. This will be another higher low, and we might see another higher high. And don't forget that there's an external liquidity resting above here. Yeah, external buy side liquidity resting above there, resting above this region. Let me use the highlighter. It's a buy side liquidity resting above here, so you might want to watch price carefully. As for this bullish candle, don't worry, price definitely will rebalance inside this candle. So for those that are not in yet, man, all I needed to do is just to wait for price to rebalance the inefficiency which, as we are seeing here, is in the form of fair value gap. As you know, price seek two things: liquidity and inefficiency. I always say this in all my videos: inefficiencies are in the form of fair value gap, other blocks, breaker blocks, and all of that shit. And liquidity, previous high, previous low, double top, double bottom, and shit. Triple top. We have trendline liquidity. In fact, that's my favorite. If you can spot it, if you can see it, you cannot unsee it. So we are still going 400 pips, man. NFP smashed. Yeah, man. Now I'm managing an account for someone, and I did not take this trade on that account. This is painful. Sometimes, being too careful will cost you a lot of shit. You understand? Being too careful will cost you a lot of things. Now I'm going to add to my position on XauUsd, not XauUsd. That is the sound of victory. Yeah, man. That sound turns me on than any other thing. Let's go. NFP smashed. New position added. Straight to profit. Full margin. Yeah, man. It is go hard or go home, and we went hard, and Charlie, we are running in nice profits. Believe me, 400 pips. That is no shit, man. So here will be a protected low, and here will be a target. Charlie, we will use our, what's it called, external buy side draw on liquidity as a target. So that's around 1,200 pips. Let's see how it goes. This is a swing trade. Now I'll be adding to my position when price is rebalancing this inefficiency here. So all here, I'll be adding to my position. It will happen today or next week. Nevertheless, I know what I want to see. I trade what I see and not what I think. And that's where some of you guys miss it. You tend to trade what you think. Price will gold will always go down every 2 p.m. Gold will always do this every 1 p.m. I think that's the worst way to trade forex, because your father does not own the market. It is not about what you feel. It is what the market wants to do. So sometimes our feeling is wrong. Our feeling are selfish, filled with greed, filled with emotion. And if you come to the market like this, Charlie, you go block and see, you will cry. So what I'm saying in essence is that I trade what I see. Now there are days where I feel like just to buy, but my feeling does not move the market. My feeling does not impact the market. And I will be seeing bearish setup, but I just feel like buying. And I ask myself, Emmanuel, do you want to trade what you feel, or you want to make money? If you want to make money, you must trade what you see and not what you feel. And I know some of you out there, you are very fond of spotting buy setup, and you don't have to look for sell setup. I understand, I was once there. But it is it is a phase you go through in a particular currency. Now let's take gold for example. Gold has been buying for more than a year. In other words, it sells sometime, but if it gives you 10 bearish setup, just know that it's going to give you around 100 bullish setup. So if you're a trader, I think you should be waiting more on the bulls than the bears. Now, if this is the case, whenever you come to the market, the first thing you'll be looking for is for a bullish setup. Why? Because 80 out of 100 gold is buy. And There are days where you just come to the market, you want to force the market to buy, and the market just keep on selling and selling. If you don't stop, that's what I call the fuck you candle, the F you candle. They can blow your account. Where the fuck is my glass? Now, they can blow your account, drain practically everything you have. So you have to be very, very careful. Now, just like I said, every candle has the low, the open, low, high, and close. And from what I'm seeing here, man, we've gotten our high on this 1 hour candle. So we're going to have our close. If we have our close, we'll definitely see price rebalancing this fucking inefficiency here in the form of a value gap. I want to see that happening because I want to add more buys. You know what I'm saying? I want to add more buys to my position. We're running around 350 pips, 360 pips. NFP was smashed. Signal was sent to my private community. Woo! I can see the Xness alerts. The alert when you hit TP. About 6 alerts. That means 6 TP, man. 6 TP. And believe me, when you blow your account, they will send you alert as well. So, a lot of people are going to receive alerts today, depending on the subject here. So I'm adding more position on XauUsd. This will be one of my biggest flip this week. From what I'm saying, XauUsd will be one of my biggest flip. It has a lot of pips. In fact, it hasn't started yet. Now let's hold and see. Let me check what is happening on BTC. The fuck is this, man? XauUsd. Yes, nice pullback. US Nasdaq should be selling. Beautiful. US 30 same should be selling as well. Beautiful. So if gold is buying, expect Nasdaq and US 30 to sell. That is how their correlation and relativity works. GPUSD is supposed to buy. Beautiful, nice buy, as you can see on the screen. Nice buy. Euro USD is supposed to buy as well. Okay, I don't have that on my screen right now. So we'll go back to gold, our baby, our darling. So that's a quick analysis on correlation and relativity in Forex. Let's see how we go. 360 pips profit, with a 0.1 loss size. That's around 300. So I've made over $4,000 today across all accounts, and this is just a piece of an iceberg of what's going to happen from now till 5 p.m. today. So I don't know if I can go live till that time. So I don't know if I can go live till that particular time, but notwithstanding, let's just watch. Let me marinate whatever I'm seeing. I think I'll be adding to my positions now. Who's at my fucking gate, man? Okay. In 3 minutes, this candle will be closing. So we've gotten our open, our low, our high, and we're about to get our close. And don't forget, the next candle that is coming will have the same 4 parameters: the open, the low, the high, and close. So what the fuck is in my gate? So let's. Yeah, man, let's do this. Let's do this. Everywhere is blue. Everywhere is blue. Welcome to the home of blue, though I'm not a Chelsea fan. Yeah, I wouldn't be sure the club I'm supporting, so a lot of people will not follow me because I don't know if you're supporting my club or you are a rival. So if you're watching, please subscribe to this channel. Subscribe. We're about to do great things, and I want you to witness it. It's good you grow with us than for you to come up when we are already at the top and trying to fame us and all of that shit. So wow, this is nice profits. Nice. I love what I'm fucking saying. So on my new position, I'm running in 40 pips already. You know what that means, right? Running in 40 pips already. The guy on the gate, that guy got thief for there well, because security should attend to him. I don't know what the fuck is happening. Wow. On my other account, I think I'm making around, let me check. This is huge. Wow. So I'm making around 17k here. This is massive. Okay, this is the open of a new candle. And just like I said, don't forget, every candle will definitely have its open, the low, the high, and close. So now, my plan is to add more position when price is trying to get the low. I don't believe this is low, despite this is a huge candle, right? Invalidating all this, because there is a bearish block here. So if this candle definitely invalidates this bearish block, price will be pulling back to rebalance this place, at most this region here. I'll be looking to re-enter around here or here. But anyway, let's see how it goes. Wow, new position running in 60 pips already. 60 pips. You can see the profit on the screen. Please, if you're watching for the first time, I want you to hit on the subscribe button. Subscribe. This is how you're going to help this channel. Like this live. Also leave a comment. I want you to leave a comment. Price is pulling back, just like I said. I'll be adding more positions to my position already. I think I'm seeing someone there. Yeah. So let's see how it goes. I want price to pull back so I can add more position. My first entry is running around 400 plus pips. So let me check XauUsd. I have a lot of positions there. Beautiful. I love what I'm saying. XauUsd. This pair has made me a lot of money. I actually sat down and watched how the pair worked. I developed a strategy that I believe no one uses apart from me, and I believe that's why it's still working till today. You know what I'm saying? That's why it's still working till today. So XauUsd is a nice pair. It can take you to the city today and take you back to the village tomorrow. All you need to do is just to make the right move to get to the city and the wrong move to go back home. She's very, very volatile, has a strong temper and ability to wreck anybody. Now this is me adding a new position because price is refusing to pull back, and I don't want to risk much, so the pullback won't take me out because adding to adding positions to your entry is like setting a break even. You don't want to set a break even when price has not pulled back. If I should set a break even here now, I'm one of the most stupid person on YouTube trading right now. Why? Because I'm expecting something like this. I'm expecting a pullback into this region, then a continuation. So I can only set a break even if I have seen a pullback, because let's call this a higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high. So I need a new higher low before I can set a break even. So I believe this has answered some of your questions on how to set a break even. You set break even, you get taken out, the price move in your direction. Later you blame your village people, whereas you don't just know how to set a break even. You set a break even when price has corrected. If you are buying, you should be setting a break even at your higher low, not when price is trying to make a higher high. You know what I'm saying? Wow, new position running in 80 fucking pips. 18 fucking pips. That is nice. That is nice. As you can see, XauUsd is running in blues as well. I love this. I like what I'm saying. I like what I'm saying. I like what I'm saying. I like what I'm fucking saying. I like what I'm fucking saying. Wow. So if you're watching me for the first time, please, I want you to subscribe to this channel. It's definitely gonna help us grow. Subscribe to this channel and let's let's get to 100 subscribers first of all, because we're running around 70, if I'm not mistaken, 70, 75. So let's get us to 100, get us to 500, get us to 1K. I want to experience this greatness with you guys. And whoa, this is beautiful. This is beautiful. Now let me check my order. Now let me show you. As you can see, man. Um Emino Swings. I know this person, Emino Swings. I know this person. Yeah. This guy is a mentee of mine. He said, I'm also in profit. Thanks, sir. You're welcome. You're welcome. You're welcome. You're welcome. You're welcome. So, someone is asking me in my private group, when am I closing? You saw my take profit that this trade is not it's not a short term stuff, it's a long term. That is my TP there. Let me go to 4-hour time frame so you see it properly. Now, on 4-hour time frame, you see that I'm in for a swing. For the swing, I'm in for the swing. For the swing, I'm in for the swing. You know what I'm saying? I'm in for a swing, and I believe after this 4-hour candle close, we're gonna see shit, because now there is a lot of liquidity resting in this place. Charlie, are you seeing what I'm saying? When price broke out of this range, it means that if we're going to see some buys, which we are seeing right now, it's going to clear up all this place, all this bearish candle you're seeing here. Price will take it, and this is the last on field inefficiency here. I see this huge bearish candle here. Now, this is beautiful. 90 pips on my new entry, and the previous one is running around almost 450. Wow. NFP smashed. Now there's an inefficiency here. If you can see it properly, there's an inefficiency here. So I'm expecting what price to push to this region. That should be around 1,000 pips. 0.1 will be giving you crazy, if you can see there on the screen. Let's go. I want to see your reactions, please, guys. React. Let's get there. I love what I'm saying. I love what I'm fucking saying. Now let's take out the trash off the screen. I don't like having a lot of trend line on my screen. I like it naked. You know, the market is like a woman. You handle her very, 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 very delicate. So I don't like wearing a lot of lines on my screen or indicators. I don't even trade with indicators. Pure naked price action. Like I said, I love it very, very naked. Woo! This is pretty. This is lovely. Someone said lol. Yeah, man. That is how we do. NFP smashed. NFP smashed. NFP smashed. NFP smashed. NFP smashed. NFP smashed. Let me see the reaction. NFP smashed. NFP smashed. New position running around 120 pips. Like I said, GBP should be buying. Beautiful. Euro USD should be buying. Beautiful. What's it called? Nasdaq should be selling. Beautiful. As for crude oil, I really don't know. US 30 should be selling as well. Beautiful. BTC is supposed to buy because of the USD effect. Yes, it's buying. It's buying. Now, I just saw something on BTC USD. I don't know if I should explain this. But if you look at the screen right now, this sheet is self-explanatory. Everything you're seeing here. Former low, current low, new high, new low. This low failed to take out this current low, right? So automatically this will be a higher low and this place will be a higher high. And this is a valid higher high. Why? Because now let me zoom in. There was a bearish block here which was supposed to reject price down. So price closed above the bearish block, created a new lower low which failed to take out this low. And now we are seeing a new high. So it is simple. It is very, very simple. All you need to do is just to wait for a lower low. Mark out a zone. You can mark this place as your zone 1. Mark here as your zone 2. And watch how price reacts. I'm not talking about this low. I'm talking about this place. Zone 1, zone 2. Now, if price should take out this place, wait for a pullback and buy. Wow. This is massive. Let's go back to XauUsd. Enough of this crypto shit. Price is running aggressively. Price is moving aggressively. This is fucking massive. I think I need to take a screenshot. Take profit before you take screenshot too. I am very, very sure. What's it called? XauUsd is also running in fucking massive profits. Wow. Wow. Can I scroll? Can I scroll? All these are fucking open trades, man. These are all fucking open trade. Forgive me for using the F word, but it's forest, you know. You can't hit your goal without being a little bit, you know. Wow, this is beautiful. This is beautiful. So officially 500 pips profit. Officially 500 pips profit. Now I need to take a screenshot. This is lovely. I'll be trading CPI. I'll be trading CPI next week as well. And I want you to join me. I want you to join me. I'll be trading CPI live next week and I want you to join me. It's going to be massive. It's going to be very, very massive. I'll be trading CPI live next week. I want you guys to join me as we make money trading CPI. Shit, this is a live account to Emmanuel. And you fucking doing this. And you've closed partials. Should I close extra partial? No, TP or stop loss. Lie. We know they close. TP or stop loss. I ain't closing any partial shit. There was an analysis before the trade. So why taking partials? I've been trading the forex market since 2012. 2012. Go to my Instagram and check. 2012. That is 13 years of experience. 13 years of blowing account back to back. Till I discovered that profitability is not a stage. You can't just say now I'm a profitable trader. No, profitability is a continuous shit. It's something you do every day. Now, a profitable trader can become unprofitable in space of, there are incidents that will hit you. You become unprofitable, and it is not your fault. When a good trader is afraid to hold a position, enters the position, close quickly. When a good trader is afraid to hold his winning position and keep on holding his losing position, there are two things involved. Either he's getting broke in real life or he's risking more than he can lose. And if you're risking more than you can lose, I'm sorry to say you're already breaking the risk of becoming a profitable trader. But I understand the fact that we're in Africa, and in Africa, a lot of us actually have nothing to lose. So we don't just want to lose in the market, and we're afraid to risk because that $50, that $100 means a lot to us. And if that's your case, you shouldn't be trading forex. Take that money, go to the shop, buy food, and eat it. If you bring that money to the market, you will lose it 100%. I can tell you. You will lose it, man. You will lose it. If $100 is everything you have, don't trade forex with it. If $50 is everything you have, don't fucking trade forex with it. It is the quickest way to poverty if you're already poor, and it's the quickest way to riches if you're already rich. I know you see some mentors out there. You say, okay, fine, this guy was once poor, he traded forex and he became rich. Bro. Not everything you see on the internet is real. A lot of mentors are into shady deals. We have people that are into real organized crimes, money laundering. We have people that are into. I think I'll stop there. All I'll tell you is forex market is very, very, very risky. So if you're coming, make sure you are rich. Because nobody talks about how difficult it is to come back after blowing your account, after blowing your savings. Nobody talks about how difficult it is. Back in 2012, it was even easy. Why? Because exchange rate was still calm. $100 was 12,500 naira. I could remember my first deposit was $1,000, which was 125K. Today, 125,000 naira is not even up to $100. Back in 2012, 125K was $1,000. So it was easy to gather 1K dollars. I was working back then as an accountant, graduated same 2012. Started trading demo account 2011, went live in 2012. But today my shit is hard. And because of the exchange rate now, let's be honest, where do you expect the child of a poor man to come with $1,000 currently in Nigeria or in Ghana? Here I'm living. That's why you see a lot of mentors and mentees are into shady fraudsters, man, who chop wire finish go see na forest. So let's be careful when selecting a mentor. And they'll be there selling your lifestyle. Mumu you will still go and pay for mentorship. I'm sorry, you will just end up pouring water into a well that is already filled up. Open your eyes and look for those that actually shows the work, not the lifestyle. Okay? Or else, after going to the academy, you will come back to us and we'll teach you what needs to be taught. So we're running around 530 pips. Wow, this is massive. NFP was smashed. I believe CPI will be smashed as well. I feel like leaving, but I want to be on ground as well to watch what's going on, Easy, very, very easy. Let me do a quick breakdown again, just like I did before. Basically, head and shoulder. Head, shoulder. You can even take this as a shoulder. Head, left shoulder, and right shoulder. And then definitely this will be the neckline. If this will be the neckline, then price will definitely pull back. If this is the neckline, let me draw a minor trend line. Now, if we take here to be the neckline, of this head and shoulder setup. What the fuck is happening? This is why I like using trading view, but I'm trading live. I got to use here. So this is a perfect trend line liquidity. I don't want to do that before, but let's go. A perfect trend line definitely has 3 touches, so this will be our first touch here, second, third, and even fourth. So this is a perfect trend line. Now, whenever I see trend line like this, I always look for a break, a trend line break. Trend line break, guys. Once you learn it, you can't unlearn it. Now you can see this thing in 5 minutes, 1 minute, 15 minutes, 30 minutes, 1 hour, 4 hours, because the market is fractal in nature, which means a same setup can be happening in 3 different time frames at the same time, but you need to be smart to actually see it. Now, if price takes out this trend line liquidity, what do you expect? A rebalancing inside this place. Like I said earlier, this huge bullish candle is an inefficiency, so price will definitely rebalance inside this place. Just watch out. Let's watch out. In Ghana it's still 1:25 p.m, so definitely in Nigeria should be around 2:25 p.m, and I will be closing my buys around 4-5 p.m in the evening. I'm not sure if I can stay on this live till then. Son of man need to do other things, but what is more important than making money? I guess nothing. Nothing, man. Let's go. Let's fucking go. Let's fucking go. Ooh, this is beautiful. This is nice. Let me zoom out so this motherfucker can see what I'm doing. Yes, this is a little bit okay. Motherfucker. Someone said is VIP still available. Sure, VIP is available. VIP is very, very available. Very available. VIP is available. His name is Mayo. Mayo, my VIP is available. So I have to get back to you when I'm done with this live, or you can message me as well. Let's see how it goes. Message me. VIP is available. So thank you guys for the subscribe. Thank you guys for subscribing. I just saw about 10 subscribers. That is the best way you can encourage me right now. It's a little bit emotional, 10 subscribers, just like that, man. Thank you guys. So I'll be making a video on how to start forex trading from scratch. As a matter of fact, I'm already done with that video mentally. Just that I haven't shoot and upload it yet. How to trade forex from scratch to pro, from beginner to advanced. I'll be sharing everything you need to start forex trading. So you don't want to miss this video. You don't want to miss this video, believe me. You don't want to miss this video because it's power packed. I'll be explaining a lot of things, And for those that have been asking me to teach them how to trade forex, how to trade forex, this video is for you. Whenever I go to a place, pull up to any place, and they ask, I get this. I want you to teach me how to trade, teach me how to trade, teach me how to trade. And it's tiring. If you're a trader, you know it's very, very tiring to teach everybody how to trade at the same time. So because of that, we'll be doing a video where I'll be teaching how to trade forex from scratch. You know what I'm saying? From scratch. This is beautiful. This is nice. This is nice. I like this. This is nice. This is nice. I love what I'm seeing. 500 pips on my first entry. Around 150 pips in my second entry. Totally beautiful. Absolutely nice. Absolutely nice. Absolutely nice. Absolutely nice. So we're having a rejection here, a rejection because of this breaker block here. So this place might push price down here. Let me put a zone. Here might reject price down. So let's see how it fucking goes. If it does not, if we break above here, then we might see price coming towards this region here. Another place we should be looking at, this region. So nevertheless, I'm in nice profit already. Just that I don't want to call it a day. You know what I'm saying? You know how we trade, right? I don't want to call it a day. It's too. Woo! Ah, the sound of victory. Let's do this. Yeah, we can do this. Wow. Now I need a drink. This should be good, man. All these fans, you know, the pity person. Can't believe I won't live. Back of shit. Oh shit. Okay, pulling back. It was expected. some Coke drink for the brain. The brain is taking a lot of load, so sometimes as a first reader you need sugar. Any sugary drink for your brain, it helps very nice. Let's see where this pullback will take us to. Let's see where this pullback will take us to. Yes. Someone said, "Would the bullish candle stay till 4 o'clock?" Definitely. We'll be seeing bullish pressure till 3-4. In fact, 4. What am I even saying? It's NFP. See, throughout today, there is a high tendency of you seeing just bullish trends. Any bearish, whatever you're saying, is just a retracement into any inefficiency. Now let me zoom in so you can see what I'm talking about. This bearish pullback you were seeing, it will definitely be a retracement into this bullish inefficiency. Yes. So if you are not buying yet, just wait for this pullback. I will advise you to wait for the close of this current 30-minute candle. Go to your 30 minutes time frame and watch the candle that is forming at the moment. Just wait for the pullback of this candle and wait for it to close. If you close bearish, beautiful. If you close bullish, beautiful. So I hope I've answered your question. I hope I've answered your question. So let me check how we're doing on XauUsd because I'm also buying that. Okay, as expected. Now I've been live for almost an hour. Yeah, I've been live for almost an hour. I love this pullback I'm seeing. This pullback is an opportunity for a lot of people to actually join this buy. If I was not buying before, I would be the happiest person right now. What the fuck is happening, man? I'll be the happiest person because I know that price seeks two things: inefficiency and liquidity. And currently, it is trying to seek inefficiency. So no panic, zero panic. All you need to do is just to mark out an invalidation zone for the pullback. Tell yourself this is a minor pullback. This is where I expect this pullback to stop, and this is where I'm supposed to add a more buy position or more buy entry. So if you know that the market is seeking an inefficiency, you shouldn't panic. You shouldn't. Remember, you had an initial target or initial analysis before you took your position. So let's see how this go. If you're watching for the first time, please, I want you to subscribe to the channel. um, like this live, like this video, drop a comment. It's going to help the algorithm to share it to a lot of traders, which is our major goal. Our goal is not for monetization, it's just to reach out to a lot of traders. As you can see, it's a growing channel. Started this live around 70 subscribers. So I want you to support this channel by subscribing and liking this video. So let's go, let's go, let's go. Vamonos, vamonos. I want price to take out this low, this bullish candle, take out this low and pierce into this inefficiency so we can add more position. You know what I'm saying? So I'm still holding my position because I know what is happening currently in the chart. And I don't want you guys to panic. If you are buying, don't panic. Don't panic. I explain what is happening right now, so just stick to the plan. Let's wait for price to reset. Reset by filling this inefficiency here, which is in the form of fair value gap or a balance or whatever you call it. So let's wait for price to reset and we'll see some bullish strength, you know. And please, like I said, if you're watching for the first time, just subscribe. If you're a returning subscriber, I appreciate you for stopping by, man. You guys are the real MVPs. If you're watching price reversing at the moment, don't fall for it. You can continue buying from here, but I will not advise this. I will take this current low. This week I'm seeing right here. You feel me? I'll take this week as what has minor sell side liquidity that will be cleared into this inefficiency. I wouldn't want to just buy from here. The only way I will buy from here is because I've already bought here and here, and I know that my profits and equity can sustain me. But if you're trading a $50 account or $100 account, you shouldn't be buying from this place, man. You have to wait for a complete pullback inside this huge bullish candle for price to refill. After refill, other refill, then we take our buy and aim the buy side liquidity that you can see on the 4-hour chart here. You can see here. You know what I'm saying? So I think I can even add position because balabaya that sound is it's a turn on. Let's go, man. Ooh, this is nice. This is fucking nice. Wow. So I'm still bullish on, very very bullish on SAU. I'm still very bullish on this pair. So I'll be going off right now. Uh, how am I sure? I'll still be heading on this live stream. Heading on this live stream shit. Let's see how we can go. Let's see how far we can go. I have to switch to the smaller time frame, like 15 minutes. Yes, on 15 minutes now, it's very, very clear what is happening if you look at the 15 minutes. So that price is trying to rebalance into this place. So I'm just going to wait for price to rebalance here. I'll set and this is happening very, very quick than I expected. Happening very, very quick than I expected. So, nevertheless, let's see how it goes. Let's see how it goes. Let's see how it goes. Very soon, price will be redirecting, and ooh, yeah, man, we'll be seeing some nice peeps. This particular region will be a nice place to buy from. Let's see. Let's see what happens. This is fucking amazing. Absolutely amazing. But still, I wouldn't want to buy here. I would want price to reset back into this range here. Then I can think of buying. So now this is a open. This is the opening of a new candle. So if you take a previous look at this previous candle here, closed bullish, but it looks like a pin bar, just that it closed bullish. This current candle does not have a wick, does not have a low, it just have an opening. It's trying to make a high. I don't know. But let's see what happens. Finger crossed. But nah, I wouldn't want to buy here because of this pump you're seeing. You know, a bullish candle, a bullish pump, a bullish candle can close as a bearish pin bar. So sometimes you don't just want to jump into trades. You understand? You don't just want to jump into. You want to take it gently and follow things the right way. So you don't just want to jump. This is nice. Well, I just want this candle to have a week, bearish week. That's all. I believe that's not too hard, man. Give me that week. Please give me that week. My camera went out, so I think I should put it on again. This is the Sony ZV-E camera. The battery does not take more than an hour. So when we hit an hour during the live session, we went out, and I'm not with the dummy battery at the moment. So let me try and put it on again. But believe me, gold is going to buy till 4 p.m., 4 5. It might even buy till the close of today. But I'm very, very sure that we're going to see a lot of bullish trends before the close of today's. If you're thinking of buying gold at the moment, I will advise you to wait till the close of the current 30-minute candle or the close of this current 1 hour candle. I wouldn't advise you to jump on the buy now. I wouldn't advise that. Except you bought at my region or my level, then you can add, because you know your profits will serve as leverage or margin for you. You know what I'm saying? Let's go, let's go, let's go. Okay. Okay. That is good. That is good. That is good. That is, that is good. So price is pulling back just as we expect, and I currently expect price to pull back to this region here. Price to fill in this inefficiency here, which was in the form of a balance or fair value gap or whatever the shit you guys call it. Now, if you look at this candle here, this bullish candle, it does not have a wick, and I would love to explain what this means, but that's for my mentorship students. So does not have a week. I'm expecting price to take out this low, take out this minor sell side liquidity to fill in this inefficiency. So I'll be looking for bullish rejection along this huge bullish candle. So price will reset, refill this place, and we'll see a continuation back upward. So like I always say, the market stick to things: inefficiency and liquidity. Okay, now this is a huge inefficiency. So the price to come back, tap in, refill, see some a little bit of consolidation, minor bullish rejection, and then we see huge bullish candle going up to clear all this liquidity that is residing in this place. This trend and liquidity. Price is supposed to clear out this liquidity to tap in this inefficiency here. Also, on-field, or some people will say unmitigated. So let's see. Rated traders will call this a classic head and shoulder. This is the head. This is the left shoulder, right shoulder. Let's go to the 1 hour chart again. As you can see the head, shoulder, shoulder. This is the shoulder here. Left shoulder, head, a right shoulder. This is the neckline, fucking neckline broken. Price is supposed to from this move to this place, right? From here to here, price is supposed to give us times 2 of this move, if the neckline is broken. So I just believe that it's about to pull back and test this inefficiency. So let's see what happens. So we're about to go off right now, and we'll be trading live next week on YouTube again during the CPI. And we're not going to be selling gold. We'll be buying gold during CPI. I am very, very sure. I haven't seen the data yet, but from what I'm seeing on the higher time frame currently on the 4-hour chart and on the daily chart, gold has a lot of bullish pressure to push to the upside, and the fundamentals drives the technical, so it's going to need some action, some dance in the market, and I believe CPI is going to give us that dance. Yeah, man, NFP smashed as usual, made above 500 pips on my first entry, and on my second entry made above 150 pips. And if you see that any forest works, you can see the result on your screen. Now let me show you my trading history for NFP before leaving, so you see. Now these are the trade that I've closed today, around $930, all made from today's NFP, and I have about $1,200 profit running at the moment. So yeah, man, let's fuck this up. Let's fuck this up. Let's fuck this up. Let's fuck this up. So I'll see you. I'll see you same week, same time. I wish I can stay to see, to witness this. What's it called? This price action. I know what is happening right now, and I know what's going to happen. But fortunately, I won't be staying any longer than this. But I won't be closing my trade. Trade will be running. Yep. So let's see how it goes. Peace. I'll be dropping the link for next week live. If you want to join my Telegram, the link is in the description. Just click on the link to join. You want to use the broker I use, it's in the description. Use my recommended broker. That's one of the way we get appreciated, for doing all this. So see you next week.